In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ventra card on bus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Ventra card on a bus is extremely simple. You will be able to use it on any bus that is eligible with this card. Now, first, board the bus. Find the bus route that you need and wait for it at a designed stop. As you board the bus, all that you have to do is look for the card reader. Now pull out your Ventra card and tap it on the card reader located near the driver. Usually you will hear a beep to confirm a successful tap. If you don't hear that beep or you notice that there is no response, make sure that you place it in close proximity and you can try again. When you are ready to get off, simply exit the bus. You don't need to tap your card again. You only tap your card once in the card reader when you board the bus. Make sure that your Ventra card has enough funds to cover the fare. The card reader is going to be usually located near the driver's seat, so if you board on the front, you will always be able to see it. If you are traveling with others, each person needs to tap their own Ventra card or a single card can be tapped. So you will be able to use your Ventra card as long as you tap it on the card reader as you board the bus. You can also consider using the Ventra app. This allows you to check your balance, purchase fares, and manage your account. This way you will never run into the situation of not having enough funds. But as soon as you tap your card and you have enough funds, you will be able to get this done. If you believe that you are having problems with the card and it is not working, first check the balance, and if you are still unsure on why it is not working, it is best to talk to their customer support. They will be able to see if the card was stolen, the balance was used, or something along those lines. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ventra card on bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.